seems to be live. Seems to be live. Okay, this is a test streaming. If there are any participants, please guys, join me. Concurrent viewers. Me, myself, and I. I think I won't have any kind of camera problems. But yeah, I want to get rid of something like StreamYard, or I'm currently using Melon app. So guys, throw your questions, brainstorm something. And especially I wanted to use OBS, but I didn't find any kind of a good Apple Silicon build on the web. But I finally found something. Where is it? Gonna have grab a link, honey. Especially where is the chat here? Okay, it seems to be great. Performances, I don't know, 197%. More than Docker, actually. Activity monitor. Let's check on the monitor control OBS Studio. For Apple architecture. Is there someone? Maybe I have to test on another phone. I come back. I'm throwing some audio. Hey, 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 this is a test, and I want to hear on my own phone since I am alone. Okay, it seems that I have a mono and not dual channel audio. Okay, this is maybe something that I can fix during the live stream. What's the heck in here? Okay, maybe I have to fix on my M2 recording. Don't think so. Properties. Okay, you can do anything during the live. Okay, I think I am restarting the streaming. It seems to work nice, and there is one backed up ready. Hey, how are you? Can you hear me well in terms of audio and video? Probably I fixed the audio on the mono channel and stereo channel. There is some lag in the stream. Okay, I have a good connection though. Okay, so what about video quality and all of this stuff? I think audio is good. Video capture. Okay, I'm actually really surprised that even if I have a good quality camera, a good connection quality, good connection speed, I'm actually seeing on another phone is not, it's fluid, but is not, I mean, it's not perfect, not even 1080p. Audio and video quality is good. Thank you a lot, Bargav. And now the lag is fixed. Yeah, thank you. But I'm still surprised that video quality that you are seeing is not even in 1080p. I'm so surprised of it. And I have a very good connection speed, and the camera is my mirrorless Sony. I don't know. Stream, output, audio, video. Yeah, it should be HD. Good, good, good. Thank you guys for joining this live. it's just a little more complicated to get hands on OBS and doing some share screen or something. Video capture settings. I want to, okay, I have maybe, all right, that's the thing. There is settings, general settings, and also every time you add a source in your source list in OBS, there is a dedicated line, I mean a row, where you can add the preset video. And what about, okay, I may be running on a better quality, don't know, just waiting on this phone that I have here. I don't know what is, which camera. I have a Sony A6400 with Sigma 16mm lens, which is very good. And okay, I am seeing actually on this phone my own stream, and maybe I've seen some better video improvements. I hope so. Can you confirm me that, guys? And concerning the streaming flow from my camera to my Mac Mini, I have the Elgato Cam Link. How to connect the project screen from Mac using HDMI. I couldn't share my screen with HDMI cable. Yeah, exactly what I was talking about. You have to get the Elgato Camlink 4K, and you have to be able to connect anyhow. Your camera surely has a mini HDMI port, and you have to connect through the Camlink, and the Camlink have finally a USB connection. So one side is the big HDMI and the other side is USB. You have to plug in your Mac. And that way, when I add source video capture source input in OBS, I'm able to see my Camlink 4K. That's how it works, the connection between your Mac and camera, and OBS can read that. Audio is the same thing. So this audio is plugged into my M2 Motu M2 audio capture device, and the audio capture device is plugged into my Mac Mini, so it's recognized as a device. You just have to be careful when you stream and you do whatever recording is, because normally you have two channels and your microphone is plugged on the card as a mono channel. So every time you open a streaming platform or application is in stereo mode. So as you probably have heard at the beginning of this streaming, I was actually in stereo mode, so you could hear the audio just on the one channel. So don't do this mistake. It's really bothering for your YouTube audience. Dell Multi dongle is best dongle, has display, HDMI, Ethernet, everything. Yeah, it is. Mac Pro M1, bro. I'm on a Mac Mini M1. The only thing that I have as is not an issue, but I would like to plug 3 monitors, but apparently Mac Mini only supports 2 monitors. So that's the thing. Do you guys have, by the way, MacBook Pro, or I know one of the new MacBook plugged with 3 screens? That way you can share this with us. It's the only thing that maybe a Windows machine supports better than Mac. It's the fact of having some kind of docking station, and on it you can plug 3 or 4 screens. At the moment, MacBook doesn't gain points on that. So cool. Okay, everything seems to work well. I'm not sure if this version of OBS it's kind of a final one. But yeah, I will grab the link and put it in the description. So this is where I found an Apple Silicon build for ARM, Apple Silicon. I'm not sure about performances. This really sucks. I mean, yeah, it's running on Apple Silicon, but it has to be improved. All right, my test is done, and if you want to throw more questions, guys, I'm here. 5 minutes more. Okay, the quality is really improved, so I think I'm ready to get rid of any kind of subscription plan for this kind of tool like StreamYard or Melon app. Stream quality was very good, Daniel. Thank you very much. So is important, keep in mind, good camera, and this is a condenser microphone. That means it captures the audio. So you have to be in a silent room, not too much noisy. Otherwise, you surely have seen on YouTube a lot of people use these famous Shure microphone because this is an active microphone, and it doesn't capture everything around the microphone, but you have to speak very, very close to the microphone. That means on this kind of microphone, the Shure SM7B, if you speak like this, you barely don't hear anything. So because you have to be like close to the microphone, like here. And he has a lot of power to for working fine. It needs a lot of power from your audio interface. So I prefer condenser microphone that captures a lot more noise, but if you have acoustic sound walls here, it's good. So yeah, I think the sound is better than video. You can also have a worst video but a good sound, especially when you're streaming or doing tutorials or this sort of stuff. Okay guys, thank you Bhargav, Reddy, thank you Chims India, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream or tutorial. It's been a pleasure being with you guys, and have a fantastic rest of the day.